Have you ever received any fake reviews? What will you do if you get one? Hi, I'm Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to LDFS. I'll start with a story which actually happened with one of my known doctors. A patient came to his clinic. He did the checkup for the patient. He had given appointment for the further treatment. But the patient cancelled his first appointment. Later on, he cancelled his second appointment also. And suddenly, after a few days, he came to the clinic and demanded that his treatment should be done on that day. The doctors couldn't accommodate him as they were already having lined up appointments. So they asked him to take another appointment. The patient got furious, he got angry, and then he started shouting. Later, he walked out of the clinic saying that he'll ruin their online reputation. And unfortunately, within half an hour, they got around 10 to 15 negative reviews on Google. And out of these 10, 15, only one was the known patient who was him, and rest all were unknown patient. Now, if something like this happens to you, what will you do? Today in this video, we will be sharing 4 steps which can be taken after we get such fake reviews. Now, we can't remove any fake reviews, but what we can do is we can complain those things to the Google, present our case very well, and Google can remove that review. So out of 10 cases, 7 times usually they remove the case. At the end of this video, I will be sharing one bonus tip. If nothing of these 4 steps works, what to do. So let's get started. Let me share my screen with you guys first. So when you get any fake review, log into your Google My Business page. When you log into your business page, go to the review section, select the review which you want to be removed. Let's suppose I'm selecting this random review. There will be 3 dots at the end. Click on that 3 dots and flag it as inappropriate. When you click on this link, you will be prompted with a that report review and all those things. Just click on continue and you will be directed to a page like this where you have to write what is wrong with this review. You can choose the relevant option for that. Usually in the scenario which I explained, if something like that happens, you can choose conflict of interest and then click on report. I'm not reporting it right now because I have now chosen a fake review. So after reporting it, you will be mostly getting an email about it. Now, the first step was to flag, but not only you should flag, you should ask your employees, your family, or your friends to flag the review as inappropriate. Now, why are we doing this? We are doing this to improve and make our case little stronger. Okay, so that's the first thing to do, flagging. Second thing, what we can do is go down here to the support option. Click on the support option. You will be prompted with a window here. And if you go down, there's an option called Contact Us. Click on Contact Us. After that, you'll be directed to a page like this. They'll ask you a question that what you need help with. So I'm writing remove fake reviews and then click on next step. In the second step, there'll be some tabs will be shown. You can click on remove reviews and then go down further and then click on next step. Now you'll be asked contact options. So earlier there were options of phone, chat, etc. But because of COVID, they have removed those options. So maybe after COVID, they will again start giving that options. So right now we have only email option available. Click on the email option. The next page, you have to fill your details like your name. The URL is in the Google map, you have to open your clinic name, clinic, the address. And in the top, there's a URL ID, like here, it will come like here. So this, you can just copy it and paste it over here. So after that, here is the text of the inappropriate review, which we want to remove with the name of the reviewer. Next, is this is something which is very much important. Describe your issue. Now, you have to present your case very well. Imagine that one person is sitting there and judging you. It's not a computerized thing or automated thing. A person will be going through your, the problem, and then he will be judging whether it is right or wrong. And he has around, there will be thousands of issues which he will be receiving every day. So make your case very strong, express all the things which were there. If you have any proof, great, attach those proofs. Like if somebody has written a review that you have charged them extra, then if you have a bill, you can attach that bill over there. So there's no option of attaching a photo over here, but what you can do is you can upload that photo in your Google Drive and attach that link over here. Okay, but always remember, don't be in a hurry to just fill this form and then submit it. You have only one chance. You can do it again. It's not that you can't do it again, but it's always better to do it in the first shot, and that too very nicely. So make your case pretty strong, express it very nicely, and don't make it too elaborate or boring for them. Give only the relevant details. Okay, so take time and write this form and then upload it here. And related case IDs, if you have any other request also, like if he got around 10 to 15, which I told you the case, right? So you can just attach all those reviews also, and then if some ID and etc, complaint ID, you have got it through email, that you can upload over here. So after doing that, you can just submit all those details and wait for at least 6 to 7 working days. Now, if you don't get any response till that time, okay, you can go ahead and try the third step. So the first step was flagging as inappropriate. Second step was contact us option. Third step is rather send feedback. Click on this link. This will be below the contact us option. Click on that link. Window will open like this, where you can write all the things that you didn't get any response or something like that. All those details you can just add here, and here you can include a screenshot also. So if you have any proof or anything, you can just upload it over here. So this is the third thing which you can do. Okay, now the fourth thing is not related to Google removing the review, but it is important for our future patients who are coming and who are reading our reviews online. So if they are reading the review, they'll judge us by reading the fake reviews. So it's better to write a reply to that fake review by politely by saying that sorry, but we couldn't find you in our patient database. Kindly give us more detail about your appointments and the date of appointment, etc. And you can write kindly contact us on this number or something like that. So that people know that this is a fake review. See, whenever some potential customer is reading your review, people know that there are fake reviews online. So when you are giving them some reply, usually they will neglect that review and then go ahead with the other ones. So that's one thing. So these are the 4 steps which we can do after we get any fake reviews. These steps will make it stronger, make your case little stronger, and hopefully the Google will remove it. Now, think nothing of this worked. You tried everything, the flagging option, the support option, the feedback, everything you tried, and you didn't get any response from Google. Now what to do? Now is the bonus tip. That is, go to their Twitter handle. I'll show you that. This is the Twitter page of Google My Business. They are pretty active over here. So you can directly write a tweet marking your maybe any ID if you have. If you don't have that, you just have to present your case with the clinic address or something like that, so that they can contact you. Okay, so this is the last option which we have, where we can expect some reply from them. So that was all about fake reviews, guys. I hope you liked our video. Kindly let us know if what happened when you got any fake reviews, or what steps have you taken when you received. We would love to hear that. Kindly like and share and subscribe us. And if you want us to add you to our broadcast list, send us a hi on this number. We will add you to our WhatsApp broadcast list. And please remember to save our number, because we have seen last week that people haven't saved our number, so they were not receiving our broadcast messages. So kindly save our number. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.